everyone. Thank you so much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunisali University of Leadership in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our first lecture titled What is ICFE? So I have divided my first lecture into 4 elements as follows. What is the ICFE? What exactly is the ICFE test like? Language activities, building vocabulary. Finally, assessment including quizzes, tests, and exams. First element, what is ICFE? The International Certificate in Financial English, also known as the ICFE exam or Cambridge English Financial, is an advanced English language proficiency exam administered by Cambridge ESOL. Second element, what exactly is the ICFE test like? The ICFE exam itself is a paper-based assessment that covers the 4 core language skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking. All 4 sections are weighted equally, but their lengths, formats, and testing situations vary. Third element, about language activities building vocabulary. So the word certificate as a noun, abbreviation of cert, are 2 meanings. First meaning is an official document that may be used to prove that the facts it states are true. A birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate. For examples, the police are waiting for the doctor to issue the certificate. Mahidin showed his certificate of insurance. Second meaning is an official document proving that you have completed a course of study or passed an exam, qualification obtained after a course of study or an exam. Last element, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.